Hi everyone, let's talk about something that might contribute to sagging skin and jowls that you probably haven't thought about, lymphatic drainage nodes. Hi, I'm Jojo, a 48-year-old medical esthetician who is also in the process of preventing jowls, so let's do this together. I just woke up and basically just cleaned my face, but you can see that there is a little bit of a puffy feeling and pooling around the eyes and around this area. As mentioned in a previous video, shortened masseter muscles also causes pulling of the skin, creating a little bit of loose skin that could allow for lymphatic drainage to pool here when it relaxes. So I do grind my teeth at night. I do wear a night guard, and you can see that I don't have any eye teeth. So as I'm grinding at night, the eye teeth are gone. So I don't have vampire teeth. And so when I'm grinding at night, it kind of pulls the skin. And then when the skin relaxes during the day, it creates pooling right here. And I'll show you where the lymphatic drainage nodes actually are. So we all have lymph nodes around our jawline, our neck, and even down here that help remove excess fluid and waste from our tissues. But when they get congested or sluggish, it can lead to puffiness and even sagging in the areas like your jawline and cheeks, giving that jowly appearance over time. So what can we do about it? Gentle facial massage or gua sha techniques can help stimulate these nodes, getting the lymphatic fluid moving, and then the result, you have reduced puffiness, firmer skin, and even a more contoured jawline. So let's get into the specifics and we'll do these exercises together. So let's identify where these lymphatic drainage nodes are. So you can see that there are some in the front of the ear and behind the ear. So when you take two fingers and you kind of open these up, it will allow the lymphatic drainage to go down towards the neck and then out through your sweat is the ideal way. So what you want to do is open up these lymphatic drainage nodes first, because you don't want congestion down here. So once you open these up, or even massage your armpits a little bit, right? So just a pulsating motion, gentle is good. I like a little bit more like a massage feeling because I like being massaged. So open up these drainage nodes so that it doesn't congest around here. So we're working from bottom up when we're opening up our lymphatic drainage nodes. So you see there are some here along the side of the neck. So we're going to slowly basically open these up. Okay, even down here, you see this? There are lymphatic drainage nodes down at the bottom of the chin. And then you notice how near the jowl area, this is 3 points of lymphatic drainage nodes all collecting into one. So in this picture, it's 3 points, but it's basically a bunch of nodules that allow for the lymph to kind of pool here. So you really, really want to open these up. You can do a tapping motion or a gentle movement just to open that up. So we're going to move up a little bit more. So again, to the ears, even along the side here, you see number 2. And then right from the nostrils downwards, these are all lymphatic drainage nodes, okay, from your eyes, and then your nose, and then even down here, past the corners of your mouth. So you just want to open these up first. Okay, so I do have a little bit of a puffiness feeling right now here and pooling around the eyes, but we're going to be focusing on the jowls today. So let's go into the actual exercises and we're going to time them so that we can do this together, and then you can practice on your own. So I'm going to start a minute here, and we're going to open up our supraclavicular as well as our armpit lymphatic drainage nodes. So let's do this together. Let's start now. So we're going to do a pulsating motion here at your supraclavicular. So these nodes have to be opened in order for anything to drain. So again, we want to open them up so that nothing gets stuck. And so like traffic jam, you need to start with where the traffic starts, and everything will move after that. Okay, so we've done 30 seconds here, and now we're going to move towards our armpits. So just squish, squish, squish is good. There's a lot of lymphatic drainage nodes here, so that's actually my fingers. So squish, squish, squish. And if you feel any tightness, feel free to just massage it a little bit more and get those little lumps out, okay? This is my hand. I don't know where it's going to go. Okay, we've got 4 more seconds. Now we're going to move up a little bit to the submandibular, the posterior cervical nodes, the deep cervical nodes, and the anterior cervical nodes, all up along here. So we're going to start our 1 minute, and then let's get started. So you can do a little pulsating motion from here all the way down towards your neck. Okay, so from the bottom here, pulsate, and then down towards your clavicle bone. So again, we are basically opening up the traffic jam so that when we drain the lymph from our face, there is no more traffic, right? So again, just gentle tapping motions, or you can actually just start gliding and just moving everything along. So we can glide and move, move, glide and move, glide and move. So whichever feels comfortable for you, do as you wish. So we've got 15 more seconds here. Three more seconds. Now let's go into the face nodes, and at this point you should feel a little bit of a release down here already. Okay, so we're going to start with the ears and also just along the face here. So we're going to start our minute, and then slowly just kind of like open these up, 2 fingers, and I've got one in the back of my ear and one in front of my ear, and we're just going to slowly open these up and move things downwards. You can also do a pulsating motion if you like, and move everything downward. Again, we're just clearing up some traffic here. Okay, and now we're going to move to our facial nodes. So just here, we're just going to move everything down. So here, I don't really like to stretch the skin that much, so I like to pulsate. But you can do whichever you like. I don't have any oils on my face right now, so the gliding motion actually doesn't feel so good. Okay, we've got 3 more seconds. So I've brought my little buddy back up here, and we are just focusing on the jowls today. So normally I would spend a minute in different areas, but we're just going to do the jowl. And so what I want you to do is we're going to spend a minute. Basically, we're going to glide upwards and then move everything down, because we want the lymph to move up towards the ears and then go down. Because this channel right here, it can be drained too, but it's slightly a little bit more congested. So we'll do the 2 motions to drain it down this way and then to drain it through your ear nodes, because there's actually more there. So let's start our minute, and we're going to do these motions together. So I like to use my hooks of my hands, move it up towards my ears, and then changing it to my 2 fingers and then moving it down. So move up and then move down. And then again, move up. And you are welcome to put some oil on your face to allow for a better glide, but I'm a little lazy, so I haven't put any oil on my face. And also I'll be putting on sunscreen, and the oils break down sunscreen, so in the daytime I actually don't use oils on my face. Okay, so we've got 15 more seconds to go. And I like a little bit of pressure because I like that massage feeling. Yay! I think you can see that there's already less pooling, so we're going to do the last exercise where we just basically brush everything downwards, okay? So we'll start our minute and then we'll start brushing. So bringing blood flow to your face is actually quite good in general. So if you've got clean hands, it's good to just gently massage or touch your face during the day. Make sure with clean hands though. just to allow for some blood flow to go into your face. And blood flow actually increases collagen production. So we've got 30 seconds here, and then I'm just going to do a little bit more for my neck and the ear areas because there's lots of drainage nodes there. And then just a slow brushing movement from here and then just outwards. And then we do this on a daily basis. So that's why you can pick and choose the exercise that you want to do. And then it only takes a little bit of time. So now that we've finished, you can see that there's less pooling of the lymphatic fluids in my jawline already. So remember, consistency is the key for seeing results. So stay tuned for more tips on how to naturally keep your skin looking firm and youthful.